Check out our newest feature release. You can now embed custom objects into the dashboard. Seamlessly embed online content and more directly into your dashboard using IFrames for enhanced accessibility. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Well, first of all, this is going to really elevate your dashboard with all of these new live integrations. It's going to allow you to easily embed objects such as social media posts or presentations. You'll be able to tailor your dashboard perfectly by adding diverse content from Instagram posts to even Google Documents. What I really love about this feature is it gives us the additional ability to see things quickly. So really you need to think about what do you need to see within your dashboard that is going to help you get a broad idea of where your business is. Maybe that is a document that you want everybody on your team to see. Maybe that is your social media channels so that you can actually see those within the dashboard. There are all different types of ideas, and I really look forward to finding out how everybody is going to use this. But really, when you're thinking about what should I put here, think about what do you and your team want to see that's going to let you know how your business is doing every day when you're checking out your statistics. So let's go ahead and go directly into the dashboard. And from there, I'm going to have you click on the Edit button, which kind of looks like a pencil in the upper right-hand corner. And from there, we're going to go ahead and click on Add Widget. Now, once you click on that, go ahead and click on the new Object tab. And from there, right now we have one option, and that is to embed. So go ahead and click on Embed. And you're now going to add that title, and you're going to type in the location URL as well as what that type could be. So you have the option to do a URL or an iframe, which really gives you a lot of opportunities to perfect this and make it perfect really just for your business. Now, you want to be careful. You need to use a fully qualified URL, meaning it needs to be the full URL. If you're using iframe, you're going to have special code that is going to allow you to iframe that in. If you want, you can even hide the title. So you can show the title or you can hide it. Just toggle this on or off with a click. And now, once that's done, you're going to see that newly added widget right within your dashboard. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.